Welcome back to your GK Buddy. Today I will talk to you about Glide. Glide is a Google utility which enables you to make mobile applications without the need to write a single line of code. I will try to take you through those simple steps to make some beautiful apps. Gliding is a fascinating sport where you use the air in the atmosphere to float and move. In the app, Google Sheet is the air on which we glide. Google Sheet is the foundation of Glide. It's a spreadsheet like Excel of Microsoft Office. When you open Google Chrome, you can see the Google apps represented by the tiles that appear on the top right side. Among these tiles is the Google Sheet. To make a Glide app, you can use a Google Sheet or select one you already have. Glide converts the selected sheet to an app for you. Let's see how this happens. At the Glide Apps website, you have to log into Google account. If you have a Gmail account, that's your Google account. Otherwise, you can sign up in the page. Once you log into your Google account, you will be taken to the Glide dashboard at goglideapp.com. I have already logged in, so it has taken me to the dashboard which is at goglideapps.com. There are three methods to get started in Glide. Third method is a recent addition. First method is to select the Google Sheets. You can create a Google Sheet or use the Google Sheet you already have. You can see it here. The second method is to select a template available with Glide. These templates are built on model Google Sheets. There are some free templates and there are priced ones available on the template store. You can see some templates which are free and available. There are many other templates also available at the template store. You can see some are free. The method added recently is to select Google table and construct a table. You can see Glide tables as a method of starting. If you select it, it will take you to a layout. Here you can see Glide anticipates your requirement. It is named your app My App. Opening, you can see it has already created two tables for you. One is a user table and other one is things. In the user table, you can see the name and email have already been populated based on my username and password with which I have logged into Glide app. It has created another sample table for you and it has named it as things. You can change the name, change the layout, add new sheets and modify it the way you want. Glide anticipates for you and making it easy for you. You can accept it, modify it, discard it. Option is yours. For our purpose, we will choose one free template. Let us choose Task Tracker. It has taken us to the layout page. We can create an app in minutes with this template and later edit it to suit our purpose. In all the three methods, Glide creates an app automatically. You can modify it and customize it. On the web, every Glide app has an unique address. By sharing this address, the app can be passed on. Let us proceed with our example. I selected Task Tracker as my template. It takes you to the layout page. You can see the name of the app on the left. In the middle, there are two icons, one for data, another for layout. On the top right corner, you can see the label copy this template. Once you choose this, Glide will make an app for you based on the underlying Google Sheet. Let's explore it further. If you choose the tab, it will show what are the tabs available. There are 4 tabs: category, projects, tasks, choices. These tabs are made by Glide based on the underlying Google Sheet. So this is the data view and this is the layout view. It will show you an exact replica of a mobile screen. It shows the running time on the left corner. All the other icons are there. And for this layout, there are 2 views. One is the iOS view. Right now it is on the iOS format. Here is the Android format. Let us see the data icon further. So there are 4 tabs and the underlying Google Sheet, which is the base source, is listed here. We can open it from here. One sheet is named category, there is another one projects, another one tasks, and another one choices. Based on this, these 4 tables are made. Between the source Google Sheet and the layout, we have the tabs view. And these 4 tabs are made based on the 4 Google Sheets, which is part of the source Google Sheet. You can see for the category sheet, there are 3 rows: personal, professional, other. All tasks are categorized in either personal, professional, or other. And these are the projects listed. And for completing these projects, some tasks have to be completed. And to track the status of completion of these projects, status are indicated in the choice table: task not started, task in progress, or task completed. So based on these 4 tables, the task tracker app will be made. Now let us move further. Let us select the label on the top right side, copy this template, and see what happens. It is creating our app. Now you can see in the middle one more button is added. That is for settings. On the left side, the tabs are listed, and below that you can see the menu, and below that the components will be listed relating to the screen selected by us. You can choose the tabs or components from the left side. Options are available to configure it on the right side. That is how you go about. Now we are ready to publish our first Glide app. Now let us go ahead and publish our app so that we can copy it on our mobile and pass it on to others. We'll go for publishing. The app is published. Now we have an option to edit this app link. It is saying, sorry, this name is already taken. I'll change it a little. I'll add an A to the right. This name is available, so there is no caution. This app now exists on the internet, and its address is task-tracker-a.glideapp.io. You type this address on the address tab, this will be opened. Or you can scan this QR code. So this app is now ready. I can pass it on to anybody by passing on the address or the app link, which is task-tracker-a.glideapp.io, or I can send a screenshot of the QR code, which they can scan and install it in their mobile. On scanning the QR code, this is how my mobile screen looks. The screen reveals the link to the app and an option to go to the website. On opting to go to the web, a login screen will appear. You can log in using the Google account. It will ask for the PIN. Glide will send a 5-digit PIN for verification to your email. You can use it and the app will be opened on your screen. It will give you an option to add the app to your screen, or you can go to the menu, opt to add the app to the screen and save it. Now you can explore the app to familiarize with its features. Now I am at Glide dashboard and we will open our app task tracker. It is now at the layout view. I will explain the main features of this app. Let's open the settings. There are 10 items listed in the settings menu, but only 2, appearance and privacy, are relevant to us at this stage. Let's have a look at the item in the menu, appearance. You can choose from different colors. You can also control the hue, saturation and luminosity of these colors. You can choose different layouts. We will change our layout slightly and change the color also. Let's have green for now. Another item which is relevant now is privacy. Now it's public. I'll make it public with email so that there will be some control over access. Now let's go to the data view. There are 4 tabs: category, projects, tasks and choices. These tabs are built on the source database, which has 4 sheets: category, projects, tasks and choices. Now let us come back to the layout view. On the left panel, you can see items listed under tab: category, chat, all projects, shopping cart. Of these, chat and shopping cart are default items and are not activated. These appear shaded in the menu. To add a new tab, you have to click on the plus icon here. You can see a new tab has been added. Right now it is not required, so I'll just delete it. Below the tabs is the menu. You can see 2 items listed: completed tasks and completed projects. I'll open it here. You can see completed tasks and completed projects. Apart from that, you can see 2 more items: about and sign out. These are made by the system as default items. About provides information about the app, like who made it, what are the supports available and so on. And you can use sign out to sign out from the app. You can move the items from the tab area to the menu. Let me see. I will move project to menu. Now open it here. You can see all projects here. I will move it back to tabs menu. Below the menu, you can see the screen. The components in the screen are listed here. There are many very useful components which can be added to the screen by clicking it open on the plus sign across the screen tab. These are some of the items. Text items are there. Different layouts can be chosen. Media items are there. Many buttons are available. So many pickers, charts. You can choose and add it according to your requirement. You can select an item, a tab or a component on the left panel. The right panel gives you the facility to configure it. I will show an example. Let us select the categories tab. You can see there are 3 categories and each category is represented by an icon, but only 2 icons are visible now. Third one, only a small part is visible. Let's see how we can correct it. Have a look at the components. This is the component. Categories, those images are the components. I will select that component. Have a look at the panel on the right side. You can see only part of the image. We can correct the layout of tiles by moving this. You move this slider. You selected the component on the left side and move this slider to the right. The tiles are reduced in size and all the 3 are now visible. I will tell you how this app is organized. The projects are categorized into personal, professional and other. And to complete the project, you have to carry out some tasks. You can set a task, set deadlines for the task and follow it up. And for tracking completion of projects and tasks, the choices are provided by the database. Not started, in progress or completed. Let's see how it is implemented in the menu. You can see there are 3 categories: personal, professional, others. I will now open personal. There are 2 projects now, Tissa's birthday and new patio. These are the 2 projects. You can add a new project. You can give the project name here. Suppose I write buy a new car. Description, I will say dispose of old car and buy a new one. You can use an icon. We will use the default icon. And now you have to set a deadline for this. You can choose a deadline for this. Click open. I will choose 31st March as the deadline. Now the deadline is shown here. Now the status. It gives me 3 options: not started, in progress, completed. It is not started. Now I will submit it. This has been sent. It goes and updates the app database. You can see now it has come to the project database. Buy a new car. All those items are entered here. If you have downloaded the app and opened it on your mobile, you can also explore this. You can try out adding new projects, setting up tasks and all using the menu. We will discuss further about this in the next video. Now you have seen how an app can be made in minutes using Glide. You can go ahead and create your own app and experiment. I have told you it is simple. Straight away head to glideapp.com, log in using Gmail account. There you are at the Glide dashboard. Select a template and make your own app and explore. Hope this video has been useful. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel. Please use the comment section to communicate with us. We would very much appreciate your feedback. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon with another video on Glide.